Afternoon, children.
Afternoon,
Good
ma'am.
afternoon. Okay, so children, we are learning add and subtract unlike fractions. So we have discussed how to add and subtract unlike fractions. What we have to do? We have to make
We have to make
like fraction. How we can make a like fraction?
LCM method.
We have to find the least common multiple, so that when we find LCM or least common multiple, our denominators will be the same. So it is we can add or subtract easily without any confusion. Okay, so I think last class we have discussed question number 19A. Now Felix, can you please read question number 19B?
Palm used 3/9 cup of flour for the cake mix. Her father used 4/11 cup of flour. How much flour was used for the cake mix?
Okay, so children, you had to read the question carefully. So 3/9 of the flour was used by Palm and by 4/11. So first of all, what we had to do, we had to make 9 and 11 the same denominator. How we can make finding the LCM? Children, 9 and 11, they are prime numbers. There is no common factor. So what we can do? 11 into
9.
11 into 9 directly we can do because there is no common factors. So what is 11 into 9? 90.
99.
So first fraction, okay. So first fraction is 3/9. So 3/9 you have to multiply by which number?
11.
11. So 9 is there, you have to multiply by 11. The other one you have to multiply 4/11 by which number?
9.
Okay, so that much is clear. Now, okay, Alim. So what we do? Audio problems. Children, can you hear me properly?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So children, by how much flour was used for the cake? So how much palm used, and we had to know how much his father used 4/11. So how much flour used for cake means what we had to do?
We should
Add. Okay. So Pam used how much? That Palm and her father. How much use? We had to add both the fractions. Understood how to find the total amount of cake mix? We have to find out. It is not given total amount, but it is clearly how much flour we used for cake. So Palm used that
69 by 99.
plus we had to do for father. Okay. So can we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Now I will mute. Then you can hear properly. I think so. Because some children, they have some audio problems. So children, question number, we are doing page number 31. All the children, those who joined, please note down. Page number 31. Question number 19B. 19A, we have finished. So it is given part of the flour used by Palm and part of the Palm used, flour used by her father. That we had to write. So part of the, how much she is used. Palm. That is a name, part of the flour. Okay, used by okay. Now, Nandita, can you tell me how much she used? Yes, are you there, Nandita? I think some network problem. I cannot hear you. Yes, Gautam, tell me. How much flour is used by Palm?
3/9.
3/9. Children, okay. You have to look in the textbook, in the workbook also. What is the question? Now, next one, same part of the flour. Same. Used by, I'm writing used by her father. Used by Palm's father. Blesswin, tell me how much it was used by her father. Blesswin, unmute and say.
Yes, ma'am.
How much flour was used by Palm's father?
4 by 11.
11. 4 by 11. Okay, children. Now, next step, we will find the LCM of 9 and 11. LCM 9 and 11. So, children, clearly it is, we can write 11 into 9, that is 99. Okay, now we have to find out 3 by 9 is equal to, find out the LCM 3 by 9. We have to multiply it by 11. Here also 11 by 11. 33 by 99. Next one is 4 by 11.
36 by 99.
Which one we have to multiply by 9? Okay, 36.
36 by
36 by 99.
99.
Okay, now children, what is the denominator now? The common denominator, that is 99. Now it is easy for us to add. So next
69.
step, what we will write, children? So total, total
36.
amount of flour used, 33 by
36
99 plus 36 by 99. Find out.
Ma'am,
You have to write, children, total. So I want to take the next slide here, children. So far, what is the first step? I hope you have finished writing. Part of the
Yes.
floor used by Palm, 3 by 9, and used by Palm's father, 4 by 11. Now what is the next step? LCM. Then make equivalent fractions, 3 by 9 into 11, 11 by 11. Okay, then 4 into 4 by 11 also find. Now next one we will find the total total flour used. What we had to find the, we have the first one is 33 by 99 plus 36 by 99. Yes, Chris Joe, tell me the answer, Chris Joe. 33 plus 36. Not finished.
I'm doing.
Why this much doing? 6 plus 3. What is 6 plus 3? 9. And 3 plus 3. If you are not finished also, you can look directly from the board. So what's the answer, Manu?
They use 69.
Yes. Here, children, we can write. There is no carryover. So in Mendel addition, you can do 3 plus 6, 9. 3 plus 3, 6. 69 by 99.
They use 69 by 99.
So we can write, therefore, 69 by 99 of the flour was used by or used for the cake mix. We can write like that. Therefore, the last step. Children, I hope you have place to write. Make it small. Therefore, 69 by 99 of the flour was used for the cake mix. Was used for the cake mix. cake mix. Okay, so this sentence, children, you can look at the last sentence. How much flour was used for the cake mix? From the last sentence, we can write clearly the final step. Therefore, 69 by 99 of the flour was used for the cake mix. Children, I hope all of you have finished. So if you want to see the last slide, how we have started the sentence, part of the flour used by Palm, 3 by 9, used by Palm's father, 4 by 11. The next step, what you had to find LCM. Then what we had to find, you had to find the equivalent fractions with the common denominators. Then we had to find the total. Why we are finding the total? Because we want to know how much flour was used for cake mix. So the total we can see if the denominators are same. It is easy. Numerator should be added. Only numerator should be added. So 69 by 99. So the last step, therefore, 69 by 99 of the flour was used for the cake mix. Okay, children, finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Okay, next one. Okay, so you can make short if there is no place, children. You can, if you don't write the last step also, it's okay. Because here clearly we have written here total flour used. So 69 by 99. So if you don't have the place to write therefore 69 by 99 of the flour was used for the cake mix, then also it's okay. Because we are writing A and B. So maybe some space more. If you are writing, your handwriting is big, no, it will be. So Anina, can you read question number 20?
Yes, ma'am.
20A.
Jay spent 1 by 5 of his salary on rent and 1 by 3 of it on food. What part of his salary is left by the end of the month?
Okay. So children, you have to understand the question here. Jay spent some amount for his rent. Okay, he's a rented house. So some salary, some part of the salary. What is that? 1 by 5 of the salary is spent on rent and 1 by 3 on food. What part of his salary is left by the end of the month? Okay, is there any doubt, children?
Ma'am.
Ma'am,
Okay.
end of the month means,
Huh?
ma'am, end of the month, ma'am, last, what
Ah.
part of the salary is left by the end of the month means?
End of the means? What is the end of the month? It is there on the last days of the month. Every
Okay, ma'am.
means every beginning we are getting salary.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
last month mean end of the month mean last days. Okay. So children, tell me what all things we have to find out here. First we had to write, okay, what part of the salary used for rent and part of the salary used for food. Then what we had to do? Tell me.
Should I add both of
Ma'am,
Yes.
subtract the
We will do
and
subtract. Before that, you have to find the total amount spent on
yes, ma'am, to
food,
total
food
amount
and
spent.
rent. Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am. Then
amount,
we minus by the salary. Then we will get the answer.
okay, some children have some connectivity problems, so I can understand that. So children, so what we had to do here, first we had to find the total. Total, you know how to find. You have to add the amount of
Yes, ma'am.
salary plus it is spent on rent plus food. Then you have to find the how much left. That what we had to do to find how much left. You have to, what we had to do? Subtract. So here we have
Subtract.
children both addition and subtraction. Understood? Both addition and subtraction. Okay. So we'll do now. Okay, so children, here what we had to do, part of the salary that Jai spent on rent. Question number 20 we are doing. Page number 31. Page number 31. Question number 20. Part of the salary that Jai spent on rent. On rent. Okay, Harsha, tell me how much he is spending on rent.
1/5.
1/5. Okay, very good. 1/5. Children, I'm checking whether you are listening the question and finding the answers alone. Now, next one, part of the salary that's spent on food. Part of the salary. Same sentences. Instead of rent, we are writing food. Part of the salary. John, tell me how much part of the salary spent on food. Yes, John Sebi. How much for food? Yes, Adinad. Tell me.
Yes, ma'am. 1/3.
1/3. Okay. Next, now what we had to find out the LCM. Yes, Angelina, can you tell me the LCM? Because here 3 and 5, they are prime
15.
numbers. 15, very good. So children, 5 into 3, 15. So the first
Yes,
fraction you had to
ma'am.
multiply it by 3. Second fraction you had to multiply by 5.
5.
LCM. LCM of 5 and 3 is 15. So
Yes,
1/5
ma'am.
multiplied by 3. That is very easy. 3/15.
Yes, ma'am.
Next one, 1/3. That also you have to multiply it by 5.
5. 5/15.
5/15. So you know how much he spent on rent? 3 by
Yes, ma'am.
15. How much he spent on food? 5/15. Now next step, total
Yes, ma'am.
part of the
Total.
salary spent. Okay,
Yes,
on
ma'am.
rent and food. If you want to write, that also we can write total part of the salary. Yes, Gautam, tell me the total part.
8/15.
8/15. So children, we can, I hope you have finished till this much. Part of the salary that's Jay spent on rent, and part of the salary spent on food. Then LCM, make it equivalent fractions. Next step, children, you have to write the total part of the salary. Total part of the salary spent.
Okay, ma'am.
If children, if you want to write spend on food and rent, that also you can write. But if you write total part of the salary spent, that's also okay. So clearly,
8/15.
Gautam told the answer. It is
8/15.
8/15. So how we were writing here before? Here 3/15 plus 5/15.
15 by
3/15.
5 plus 3
3/15
is
8 by
got 8.
15.
5/15. Which is equal to 8/15.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay. Now one more question, one more part is there. What is that?
Yes,
What
ma'am.
part of his salary is left?
Okay,
What
ma'am.
part of the salary is part of the salary left? That we had to find out. Part of the salary left. Part of
Okay, ma'am.
the salary left. So you have to subtract 8 by 15 from the total. So who can tell me what we had to do? Children,
Ma'am,
what is the total?
15 by 50, 15 by
Ah.
15 minus 8 by 15.
Yes. So children, do you understand what is the total will be there? Here the denominator is 15. So what is the total? Yes, Agnai.
1 minus 8 by 15. 1
8 by
minus 8 by
15
15.
1 minus 8 by 15. What is this 1 I'm asking? 1. 1 means full. 15 by 15. 15 by 15. So children, the total is 1. And from this 1, you are subtracting 8 by 15. So children, here 1 means the numerator and denominator will be the same. So here the denominator is 15. So this 1 can be written as
7 by 15.
So this 1 can be written as 15 by 15. Understood? 15 by 15. So children, you can write here. So here it is, the denominator is 15. So I am writing here. So here the denominator is 15. So that's why I am writing here 15 by 15. That is the that full amount. Full amount is 15 by 15 minus 8 by 15. So clearly,
Ma'am, we
15
can
minus
write-
1
Ma'am,
minus
we can
15
write
also.
1 minus 8 by
Yes, yes. So that one, then you have to find out again LCM, because 1 by 1. So 7 by 15 is the answer. If you have space, children, you can write, therefore J is left with the 7 by 15 of his salary. Part of the salary left, if you write 7 by 15, that much also okay. Because we have one more part. Should be, one more
Ma'am,
part. is there.
I have space for the B because in next page also we have lines.
Yes, next page we can write B. So if you want to write, children, you can write therefore. So if you, those who have place, you can write therefore J is left with how much? 7 by 15 of his salary. 7 by 15 of his salary. 7 by 15.
Ma'am, we should write this.
That's what I told. If you have place, we have one more part should be written, which is that part B. So if you have place in next page for writing part B, you can write this line if more space. If it is not, also no problem, because it is clearly written part of the salary left. So it is, we can write here 7 by 15 is there already. So therefore J is left with the 7 by 15 of his salary. Understood? Okay, now
Ma'am, can I read B? Ma'am, can I read B?
wait, children finished?
Ma'am, 2 rows
Yes, ma'am.
of the seeds are left.
B.
What Anthony was saying?
Ma'am, I think so. 2 rows of the seeds are left. Ma'am, I don't know.
Okay, so read the question number B before reading. Before reading the question, you
Ma'am,
are
can
saying
I
the
read?
answer. Anthony, can you read?
Yes, ma'am.
All others, please mute.
Joy planted 10 by
Joe.
15.
Joe planted. Okay.
Joe planted 10 by 15 rows with seed. A few birds flew down to her plant nursery and ate the seed from 8 by 15 of the rows. How many rows of seeds are left in the plant nursery?
Okay.
Minus.
So number of rows with seeds, how many rows are there total? 10 by 15.
10 by 15. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now eaten by birds. How much is eaten by birds?
8 by 15.
8 by 15. Now, how many rows are left? Means what you have to find
2
out?
by 15. 2 by 15.
Subtract.
2
Okay.
by 15.
2 by 15. Okay. So, children, we can
Ma'am,
write
we
down.
no need to find the LCM in this method.
Yeah,
Right.
because here they are
It is same. Same.
Yes, sir,
like
same.
They are like fractions.
like fractions. Okay, children. Here the question is very easy because the fractions
ma'am,
are like fractions. Okay, children.
So we can
Children, write
write.
the steps.
There will be space in next page.
Okay. Question number B. So, children, we can write number of rows with seeds. Number of rows with seeds. Ten by 15.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Yes, I meant.
Ma'am, we can write fraction of rows planted with seeds.
Okay. Here also it's written number of rows of seeds eaten by.
Ma'am, in the second we can write eaten by birds.
Eaten by birds also. Okay. Number of seeds eaten by. Eaten by birds. Eaten by the birds. How much?
8 by 15.
8 by 15. 8 by
8 by 15.
Okay. Next step. Number of rows left with seeds. Number of rows. Number of rows left with seeds. Left with the seeds. So here 10 by 15.
Minus
10 by 15
15 is equal
minus
to 2 by 15.
Yes, very easy question. 8 by 15. So the answer is 2 by 15.
And today we will finish this chapter, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, children, finished? All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Write fast.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so children start. We finished the test of 9.1 and 9.2. Yes, 9.3 and 9.4 you can start learning. Okay, so after the last test, last MCQ2, I think we have finished chapter 8, money. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
money and
9.1 and
9.1,
9.1 and 9.2.
9.4. So for now, last class test was on 9.1 and 9.2, 9.3 and 9.4.
Ma'am,
Okay, so if we have one exam, if we have one exam, how many chapters will be there? Chapter 8 and chapter 9.
okay, ma'am. So we don't have another chapters?
Huh?
Ma'am, we don't have 10, chapter 10.
Chapter 10 we have. I'm saying if you have one MCQ this month.
Ma'am, in
Please
chapter 10, we have three concepts.
Yes, chapter 10. Okay.
Ma'am,
So children,
time over.
Agnay, can you read question number 21? All of you please listen.
Okay, ma'am.
Pooja walked 7 by
Only
8
3 more minutes.
kilometer to her school. Paul walks 1 by 2 of a kilometer to his school. Who has to travel a greater distance to reach school and by how much?
Okay. Children, till what time we have class?
My 12:55.
Huh?
My
1 o'clock.
12:55.
No, 12 is 1 o'clock.
1 o'clock. I think he's feeling hungry. That's why.
Not that, ma'am. It started on 12:15 and only 40 minutes are there.
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
the
We
board
have
is different, I mean. The board
45
is
minutes.
different. On boards 7, we have 45 minutes. You are now in which board? Board 7. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So children, Pooja walks 7 by 8 of a kilometer to her school. And Paul walks 1 by 2. Who has to travel a greater distance to reach school and by how much?
Both are same.
Both are same?
Yes,
Pooja has to
ma'am, one
travel
difference.
greater
Ma'am, one
Okay.
difference. Because ma'am, 2 is there and one difference. And 8 is there and one difference. Both are same.
We will find out. We will find out. Okay.
10 by
So
8
children,
was
can we,
8.
so we will find out who has to walk more to
Ma'am,
reach the school.
Pooja.
Okay. Agni is saying Pooja and Anthony is saying both of the some same. So we will find out who is correct. Okay, children. Now, we will start with the steps. Question number 21. Question number 21. Pooja. Okay.
Pooja.
Okay. Part of a kilometer that Pooja walks. Part of kilometer. Question number 21. Part of a kilometer. Part of kilometer.
Ma'am, Pooja.
Who's saying that now? Anthony?
No, ma'am.
Pooja. Okay, children, we will find out. Okay, be quiet. Pooja walks 7 by 8. Part of a kilometer that Paul walks. Part of a kilometer. Kilometer that Paul walks. Here it is 1 by 2. So children, here 2 and 8, they have common factors. So find out the LCM of 2 and 8.
8.
8.
8.
We can here write 2, 8. 4 2s are 8. 2 2s are 4. When you do again, 2 into 2, 4. 4 2s are 8. So we will find the LCM. LCM of
4.
LCM of 2 and 8. What is that? 8. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2, 8. Okay, now make equivalent fraction 7 by 8. No need to do anything. Already here, so we will multiply by 1
Ma'am,
only.
4 by 8.
7 by 8.
Ma'am, 4
No.
by 8.
Next one is 1 by 2.
So Paul should walk
by
greater distance to reach school.
So here 4 by 8. Now find out 4 by 8 or 7 by 8. Which is more?
7 by 8.
7 by 8. Okay. So 7 by 8. So who walked more?
Pooja.
Yeah. Now children understood? Because here the denominators, here the numerator is 7, here the numerator is 4. So looking at the, now denominators are same. 7 is bigger. That means Pooja has to walk more. And children, you have to find out by how much. So,
Ma'am, by 3 by 8.
So what you have to do? 7 by 8 minus 4 by 8. Find out the difference between Pooja and Paul. So last what we will write? So I will write. Wait. Before that we have to write here. 7 by 8 is greater than 1 by 2. Therefore, Pooja walked.
Page.
Yes.
Ma'am, last page can you show?
Here 7 by 8, 4 by 8. So we can write, if you want to write 7 by 8 is greater than 4 by 8. So Pooja walked more. Who has to travel a greater distance to reach school and by how much? So here 7 by 8, 4 by 8. So if you want to write here instead of this 7 by 8 is greater than, which is the other one, 4 by 8. So Pooja walked, or we can write Pooja walked greater distance.
Ma'am, I wrote so Paul should walk greater distance to reach school.
Who has to?
Ma'am, I written so Paul should walk greater distance to reach school.
By how much we have to find out, yes? So after finding that we can write. What is that we have to write? By how much? So what we can write? 7 by 8 minus 4 by 8. The question is by how much? So we can write 7 minus 4, that is equal to 3 by 8. By how much Pooja walked? So we can write, therefore, Pooja walked 3 by 8 more. Yes, 3 by 8
Ma'am,
of a kilometer.
ma'am, we can write so Pooja walked a greater distance by 3 by 8 more than 4.
That also correct. Kilometer farther than. It is written who travel greater distance to reach and by how much?
How much?
So kilometer farther
3
than
by
pole.
8. By 3
Farther
by 8.
than farther than pole. Okay, children. So here 7 by 8 is greater than 4 by 8. That means Pooja has to walk more. And the question is by how much? So what do you have to do? 7 by 8 minus 4 by 8. Which is that? That is equal to 3 by 8. Therefore, we can write Pooja walked 3 by 8 more. Or we can write like this. Therefore, Pooja walked 3 by 8 of a kilometer farther than pole.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, children. So we will wind up the class now. I will send the notes. Okay, bye. Children, as you should, 1 minute, okay? Next class, children, you have to join on board 5. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Bye.
Ma'am,
Bye.
which board we should?
Board 5 now. Board 5.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, bye.
Bye, ma'am.